Here at Glendale Designs, we're always trying to make the Miva experience better for administrators and also your shoppers. Here, we're going to show you one of the new features from Miva is called Facets. And Facets are how your users can sort and filter search results and category results. So to get to the point, we'll show you what it's like to use a site that doesn't have facets. This is one of our sites, and I'm going to show you a before and after. So the category facets would be here. So just all I'll get is the list of categories, and here's the display, and I can see I can sort a couple things, but really it's not entirely all that helpful. I can just keep sorting and looking. The search facets as well. I'll search for shirt. Okay, and then I have I don't know, a million results, right? So just gotta keep browsing and sorting. But basically, without facets, your clients are aimlessly looking, and they're just sort of not on track. So it's great. Miva developed facets, so your clients can, find what they want. The default facet programming from Miva is awkward and is not mobile friendly and appears slowly and is not user friendly very well. So I'll show you. This is a framework from Miva, and they have some test data in it. So this is I'm just going to search for S, so I get lots of results here. And you can see now you can filter based on brand, category, color. So that's pretty cool, right? So the default programming is there. It's a little ugly and stuff, but here I'm going to choose basic, and then you can see you're just going to wait for it, and there should be 4 results, so you can see them right there. Now you can continue filtering them out. I want a pink one, so there I have a basic and pink. So this is, it's great. Your users can find exactly what they want, right? So it is not all that user friendly because you can see it was pretty slow. You can see that the page is completely reloading every time. It's not, if the page didn't reload, it'd be a lot faster. You can also see that the default is not really styled at all. There's just boxes around everything, and it's just not all that great. You also can't really tell your selected facets. It doesn't show them all to you. You can clear them, but you don't really know what you've done so far. Those are some things that really we wanted to work on, and we thought we could do a lot better. In terms of being mobile friendly, you can see I've shrunk my screen down, and you can see that the default, they have actually just recently added this. They've added the facets into the mobile by a menu, which is quite common. So let's see. We can just see how they work here. So it does reload the whole page again, and they're hidden again, so you don't really know what you did, and if you don't have results, it's a little clunky. Basically, what we want to do is enhance all this and make it user-friendly and styled appropriately. We're going to show you one of ours. It's much better. It's very enhanced. It's intuitive, and it seems a lot faster. So we'll jump back to our coupon store here. So we can sort by brand name, fabric type, primary color. Look, there's a bunch of fun things we can sort by. So I just want a New York style hat. Okay, I get 4 results. From the hundreds, I get 4 now. And then we can go further from that, right? So if I just want one that's a straw hat, there, I've from all those results, I've now narrowed it down to just 2. And then we can show you what we have currently selected. Let's say I want to get rid of the fabric, the straw one, and now I have everything else again. And if I want to get rid of this one again, I'm down to all my results. And you can still filter and sort within these. So here's the best selling based on my search criteria. So jumping to the search page, I've searched for hats, and you can see a million results, shirt, sorry. You can see we have a million results, and we have a whole bunch of more brand names, and we can now filter our search. So let's say I just want to have a burgundy shirt, and there we go. It's just right there. It's just that simple. I want to clear burgundy. Say, anything like, you can either search within categories from the search. So I only want women's shirts, and there's 2. And I'm still in the same search results, and I'm still on the same page, and I can clear it, and it's really intuitive, and it's pretty fast. It loads on the same page. I can sort within there. There's the lowest price ones. Great, right? And then I'll just go there and I'll buy it. So I loaded up this same search in a mobile emulator, and you can see that we have it in a menu as well, and you can see that you can clear the different types of menus out. So let's just use our mobile version here, and I want to just cube inserts, and you can see it stays on the same page. The price displayed is nice, and I want to just go to brand name, and you can see just right there, and you can see what you've done. You can still sort, and there they are right there. So it's optimized for your mobile viewers, and you can collapse them back out, and you can clear them, and it really does work really well. So you can see we have designs for multiple ready themes. So this would be a levels-based ready theme here, and this is a category facet, and you can see that you can just load up just like that. Okay, and I'm going to sort by best selling. Here's another site we did too as well. Same sort of thing, nicely optimized, nice looking facets here. Searched for Bible because it's a Catholic site here. So just kids stuff. Done. Kids Bibles. More ideas for you. More sites we've done here. This is a bridal shop with rings and jewelry, and we put the facets in collapsing menus here. And once you choose them, it goes to the results. And the menu that you selected is expanded, so it's quite fancy, and it's got nice loading graphics, and it's much easier to sort. Like without facets, this site has like even with the facets, there's tons and tons of products per page, right? So you can go and narrow it down a lot. So if I want just a round ring, now I'm down to 20 or something like that, right? So much easier. And obviously for rings and stuff, you want to adjust your price, right? So that's nice expensive ones. There we go. So you get the idea. Let me show you what the mobile of this one looks like. So I've loaded up the same site in the mobile version. You can see that we have the filters, the facets in the filters menu, and the menus are nice and collapsed here to make it a little bit less, less to see at once, right? So I do that, you stay on the same page, it zooms you down there. Those must be out of stock, but it's really a lot easier. Plus, we have those extra buttons in to reset your facets if you do get no search results. So again, we've thought of the no result as well. So give us a call, let us do the facet install for your Miva site. We'll make it way better than it comes out of the box, exactly how you like it, and we'll make it user-friendly.